Fabio Wardley will square off against Frazer Clarke in British Commonwealth heavyweight title fight. This is the clash between two undefeated boxers. Fabio Wardley, 6'5", 78 inches of reach. Fighting out of Ipswich, he turned the lights out on David Adeleye, Michael Polite Coffey, Nathan Gorman, Chris Healy, and the guy is a real knockout artist. A legendary knockout artist. And Frazer Clarke also has good right hand, 6'6", fighting out of Burton-upon-Trent, Staffordshire. He was better than Dave Allen, Mario Schwach, Bogdan Dino. This time, he's squaring off against a real knockout artist, and I believe Pencho Cvetko, for example, wasn't a good opponent for him, but Fabio Wardley will fish for an early knockout. He'll be looking for an early finish, and he'll try to capitalize on his opponent. I believe Frazer Clarke gonna get knocked out. I'm saying the fight will not go the distance, but Wardley will knock out. My pick.